This is the Lemoy Star Personal Waist Fan. This is everything that comes in the box. You have a lanyard, a charging cable, which is a USB Type A to a USB Micro B, it looks like. And of course, the fan itself. A little bit of weight in it. And it looks like the on-off switch is down the bottom here, so let's turn it on. That's one speed, second, third, and off. It's relatively quiet, so I'll pop it on myself. In a minute or two I'll put the lanyard on it and we'll test this thing out. Now I've fitted the lanyard and they are removable, which is very handy. You just simply click it into the little section on the side here, and as you can see, you can carry it. Same goes for the other side, and there you are, so you can put it around your neck. So I'll put it outside and we'll test this thing on me, see what it looks like, and of course, more importantly, does it work? I've got the fan on a lanyard around my neck, so let's turn it on. That's level 1. That blows a nice gentle breeze of air around the neck. Let's go to 2. It's blowing considerable air and it's definitely keeping me cool. We'll go to 3. And that's blowing a torrent of air. That's too much for me. I think I'd go level 1, to be quite honest. I think level 1 is plenty. I'll now put the fan on the belt and see what it's like down there. I've got the fan on the belt, as you can see, and we'll turn it on. That's level 1. I'm going to put it underneath my t-shirt, see what it's like. Not a lot of air. Let's try number 2. That's definitely blowing nice. I would go level 2 under the shirt quite easily. And this is number 3. Blows, a bit of air. I prefer number 2, I think. Taking it off. If you have it just down on the belt by itself, you can barely feel anything, so it really has to be tucked under your shirt or up around your neck to be effective.